All right, so I went and bought some of this Flex Seal liquid rubberized sealant, and I'm going to apply that to some vents that we've got up on the roof. I think we may be getting a little bit of water in some of the cracks. I mean, the roof's like 30 years old, and the vents are in a concrete shingles. So as you can see, there's a bunch of vents, and this is what it looks like from the roof. And those are the vents there that I'm going to cover. I'm going to do them all, but this is three of them on the one side. I had to do a little bit of repair on the one because it had popped up, so I screwed a couple screws in it. But we're going to slop, yeah, right there's where I did it. What we're going to do is we're going to slop that Flex Seal everywhere. And I'm assuming that you know how to paint. I'm wearing a glove because the glove will protect your skin, and I have a respirator on or a mask because I don't think this stuff is good to breathe. But you want to get all the cracks and crevices, and I put on 2 coats. And it looks like we got that done. I still got some left. Each one of these cans, by the way, cost 30 bucks. So, I mean, it's a little expensive, but it's supposed to work really well. So hopefully that will cure our problem. So we figured if we're going to be up here, might as well get it all done. Not that this would have any real impact. This is over the garage, but the other one's right over the regular family. But you never know.
That one up, right in here. That's not moving at all. Get a good view of my crotch.
Oh, let me look. I love your crotch, by the way. I don't know if you know that or not.
See, and then what does that mean? Because that's all exposed here. I don't know.
Well, just get it nice and delicious. And trying to keep the mess to a minimum by using garbage bags, gloves, paper towels, and sandwich wrap. Right, honey? There I am on the roof. Up on the roof. Notice I'm still wearing my mask.
Okay.